Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add text to your TikTok thumbnails. It is quite simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Once you're here, you want to go to the profile in the bottom right corner, and you want to act like you're making a video, or if it's a draft, go ahead and pick a draft. I'll go ahead and use one of my drafts. But once you're at this page, you can put in your hashtags, describe your post, and do whatever you need to do, tag people. But if you actually want to change the thumbnail of your TikTok, all you want to do is select cover in the top right. From here, you can click on any of these options to add text. Whichever one you would like. And you could just click on the text and put in whatever you'd like and click done in the top right. You can also swipe this to wherever part of the video you want it at, and then it'll just go back and forth on that certain part of that video. And that's how you'd add text to your TikTok thumbnails. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.